Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a collab with Christina from the DIY Mommy YouTube channel, and I'm very excited to tackle this area in my house, which is the pantry. As you can see, it is a mess, and I finally decided to get it done thanks to Christina. She motivated me to do that. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of all of the expired food and throw it out. And there it is. It's 2 bags full, and Lola's having a blast with that. Then I purchased all those bins from the Dollar Tree, and I also purchased small picture frames from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree frame will be used as tags, and the first thing I'll do is remove the back from the picture frame, and then I'll go ahead and spray paint the frame because they're pretty beat up, and I didn't want black. This is chalkboard paint, and I am painting the glass. After that, I went ahead and cured all of them by rubbing the chalk on it first and then wiping it off. I think this is done so that the chalkboard can absorb it, and then it's easier to wipe off after you write on it. I'm not sure why. And then I went ahead and assembled them. I wrote on, depending on what kind of bin it was, I wrote on the labels. And I glue gunned them on the bins with Gorilla Glue for more security. And that's it. That's what it looks like now. Those silver bins or stainless steel bins are full of flour, rice, lentils. No need to put a tag on those. I know what they are. And those empty cardboard or empty egg cartons are for my mom. She has chickens, so we collect those for her. Thought this was really cute for those powdered juices. And that is pretty much it. That one right there I broke, so I just drew a leaf on the side. But I really like the way it turned out. I finally got organized. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.